So next up, we have button display by pages. As you can see, we have 4 sections here. So you can put the Peach Pay checkout button in any of these 4 sections or all of them. So first off, we have the product page. So let's go ahead and enable that. So as you can see here, we have a lot of different positions that you can do depending if your customer is on desktop or on mobile. We won't touch the mobile settings this time around, but let's take a look at the desktop positions. So by default, we have full. Let's go ahead and move that to the left to match our cart or our product page. As you can see, our add to cart button on the product page is on the left hand side. As for the arrangement, let's put it after the add to cart section and we'll save our changes and let's see how that's affected our button. So if we go ahead and reload the page, we can see now the Express Checkout button is under the add to cart button and it is also left aligned, just like the add to cart button. Next up, we have the cart page setting, which enables the Peach Pay checkout button within the cart page. So right now it's disabled, so let's take a look what that looks like. If we go to our cart here, view cart, you can see there's no Peach Pay checkout button. If we go ahead and enable the cart page, let's leave it on full, save our changes, and reload the page. Now we can see the Express Checkout button is under the Proceed to Checkout, and it's on the cart page. After that, we can enable Peach Pay on the checkout page itself. So let's go ahead and enable that. Here, you can have a custom header text and a custom additional field text. So let's see what that looks like without the text changed first. So go ahead and save our settings just to put the checkout button on the checkout page. And once we're in the checkout page, we can see that at the top, we have the Express Checkout button. It's the default values that we didn't change for the header text and additional text is checkout with Peach Pay, and then next time you come back, one click checkout. So let's go ahead and change those and see what that looks like. We'll replace the header text with custom header, and the additional text will say thanks for shopping. Let's go ahead and save our changes. We'll reload the page, and we can see now that the header says custom header, and that additional text says thanks for shopping. Lastly, we have the mini/sidebar cart. So we'll enable that, and we hover over, we can see there's now an Express Checkout button. Now, it's important to note that this doesn't actually work with all sidebar carts or mini carts, just certain ones, just because there's so many themes and whatnot and plugins for WordPress. So it might not be compatible with all of them so far.